Starting an LLC in DC, it sounds easy until you realize how many hidden steps and costs can trip you up. If you're ever worried about losing money, missing deadlines, or putting your home address out there for everyone to see, well, you're not alone. So in this video, I'll walk you through every move, reveal the common pitfalls, and show you how to protect your wallet and your privacy. Now, if you skip just one detail, it could cost you hundreds of dollars, and there's no shortage of mistakes that people make along the way that we'll go ahead and cover here in a bit. But first, let's examine if Washington D.C. is a good place to open your LLC in the first place. Washington, D.C. is a smart choice for starting your LLC because it offers strong support for small businesses. The city boasts a vibrant economy with over $3 billion in venture capital investment, making it ideal for startups and innovative companies. DC offers some generous tax benefits too, like zero corporate franchise tax for the first 5 years and wage credits up to $15,000 annually, helping you save money early on. Plus, it's a hotspot for federal contracts and government work, which opens unique opportunities that most places just can't match. And finally, DC's streamlined online filing system means that you can register for your LLC quickly and easily, so you spend less time on paperwork and more time growing your business. Okay, so ready to get your name picked? Well, let's dive into how to name your LLC here next. But before we jump in too deep here, here's one thing to keep in mind. So starting your business, it should be exciting, but not overwhelming. But forming an LLC on your own, that can get really confusing fast with all the legal forms, rules, and easy to miss details. Now, I will walk you through everything in this video, but if any part of this feels too confusing, I've got a favorite LLC formation service that makes the whole process super simple and stress-free. It's guided, beginner-friendly, and it only costs $39. So if you hit any bumps along the way, just go ahead and click right up here to get step-by-step help setting up your LLC the easy way. All right, that all said, let's get back to naming your LLC. So you want your business name to stand out, but there are a few rules to follow in DC. Your official LLC name, it must end with limited liability company, LLC, or LLC. Otherwise, the city will absolutely just reject your application. Also, your name has to be totally unique within DC, not just a clever twist on a similar name. So similar spellings, abbreviations, or changing the to that won't cut it. And the business database needs to show your name doesn't match any existing company. Certain words are off limits as well, unless you have special permission, like bank or anything that could really mislead folks by sounding like a government agency, like CIA, FBI, etc. Now, there's a handy Corp Online search tool to check if your name is available. And if you want to lock it down while you prep for your paperwork, you can reserve your name for 60 days for $25. Now, let's go ahead and talk about why choosing the right registered agent is your next big move. Now, picking a registered agent, it is a key step, and this is the person or service who really handles important legal mail for your LLC in DC. Now, by law, every DC LLC, they must have a registered agent who's available at a physical DC address during business hours, and there's no PO boxes or virtual offices allowed. Now, you can technically be your own agent, or you might ask a friend, but you'd have to put your name and address on public record or theirs. And that means more junk mail and less privacy. Plus, you'll need to be available always at that point in case any official papers show up at the door. That's why so many LLC owners, they prefer professional registered agent services. Now, personally, my preferred provider is Northwest Registered Agent. They're really known for their strong privacy protections, their excellent customer support, and straightforward pricing. Now, if you hire them to help form your LLC, the cost is only $39, which is lower than a lot of competitors as well. And get this, you can use their business address on your public filings, which keeps your home address private and cuts down on spam mail. Now, if you want to check them out, just go ahead and click right up here to learn more about them. Now, choosing a pro, that means that you'll never miss an important deadline or legal notice, and you'll get an extra layer of protection for your business from day one. Now, next up, let's talk about how to make your LLC official by filing your articles of organization. Once your name is ready and you've picked your registered agent, it's time to really make your LLC official by filing your articles of organization. This is the key legal document that launches your business in DC. You'll need to include your LLC's name and address, your registered agent's info, a brief business purpose, and the names and addresses of all members who hold more than 10% ownership of the company. Now, DC lets you file online for the fastest turnaround, but you can mail or hand deliver your forms if you'd rather. Now, the filing fee is $220 online, or you can pay extra for expedited processing if you're in a rush. But most new businesses, they are approved within just a few business days, so you can really get up and running quickly. Now stick around here because next we're going to go ahead and cover why creating an operating agreement, even though that is optional, could actually save your LLC from major headaches in the future. Now, while DC, they do not legally require an LLC operating agreement, it's just a smart move to protect your business and clarify everyone's roles. An operating agreement, it basically spells out important things like, ownership shares, voting rights, day-to-day management, and even how disputes will be resolved down the line. And luckily, you don't need an expensive lawyer to make one either. You can grab an online template or just use an AI-powered platform to build a custom agreement that really fits your business perfectly. Just make sure that all members actually review it and keep a signed copy in your records. All right, so ready for the next step? Let's talk about federal tax basics and how to get your LLC its own EIN, or employer identification number. All right, so just to be clear, your LLC, it does need an EIN from the IRS. And you can think of this as like a social security number, but for your business, right? It's what the federal government uses to identify you and your business for taxes. Now, even if you're a one-person show with no employees, it's a good idea to get one. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account, apply for licenses, file taxes, and apply for credit or loans. And the best part is that getting an EIN, it's totally free, and you can apply online in about 10 or 15 minutes. Just head over to the IRS website, fill out the quick form, and you'll have your number instantly. And one thing, just make sure that your LLC is officially approved before even applying for an EIN. Otherwise, your EIN is connected to nothing. Now, if you're ready, let's go ahead and move on to the important compliance obligations that keep your business in good standing in DC. Now, staying compliant in DC, it isn't complicated, but you do need to stay organized. So every LLC must file a biennial report, so once every 2 years, with the district's Department of Licensing and Consumer Protection. This report is due by April 1st of the year after you form your LLC, and then every other year. The filing fee is $300, and late filings come with a $100 penalty. And if you keep putting it off, your LLC can actually be dissolved by the city. Now, DC also requires all businesses to get a basic business license, or a BBL, even for most online or home-based businesses as well. The requirements for which BBL that you need and the cost, that really depends on your specific business activity. And on top of the BBL, some industries require additional permits like health permits for food services or zoning permits for physical locations. So before you move forward, just always double check with a local office in DC so that you don't miss a crucial step. And don't forget about taxes either. Your LLC will need to register with the DC Office of Tax and Revenue for franchise taxes and possibly state tax. But to be clear, keeping on top of these annual or biennial filings, licenses, and renewals is really the best way to avoid nasty surprises and keep your business running smoothly. Okay, so ready to talk about what all this will cost? Well, let's break down the fees upfront and ongoing here next. Okay, so your initial startup costs. So your articles of organization, it's $99 required. It's paid to the DC Department of Licensing and Consumer Protection. Then your certificate of occupancy or home occupation permit, $72.60. That's required if you're running a business from your home or an office. And your basic business license, BBL, that's $200 to $500. That's required for most businesses, but the exact cost really depends on your industry. Next is a registered agent service that is optional but highly recommended. Now, if you use a Northwest registered agent, you pay $39 to help with your LLC formation, and then the first year of your registered agent service is free. So that means in your first year, you can expect to spend probably about $350 to $700, depending on your business type and the different, actual licenses that you'll need. So now let's talk about your ongoing expenses. So that's going to be first your biennial report. That's $300 every 2 years, so $150 a year there. Your basic business license renewal, that's $200 to $500. That's also required. It's due every 2 years. It varies by the industry. Your registered agent service renewal, that is with Northwest Registered Agent. It's $125 per year to stay in compliance. So most business owners, you're probably going to pay right around $300 to about $600 every year if you take those biennial payments that you got to make and break them down into annual costs. Now, again, to help with all this, I do advise you to use a service like Northwest Registered Agent, which again, you can click right up here to check out, as they'll really help you stay in compliance year after year while you focus on the most important thing, which is running a profitable business. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're a little bit confused about the process, no problem at all. Go ahead and drop me a comment below, and I will do my absolute best to respond to you as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.